Hi viewers and welcome to Baby Krishna. This is your channel for food, fun and family wellness. What comes to your mind when we say New Year? Is it January 1? Is it the New Year Eve party? Or do you want to experience something completely new in the environment? Now according to the Indian Panchangam or the solar calendar, Chittirai, which falls in the month of April, marks the beginning of the new year. So this is the month when the sun moves into Mesham or the Aries sign as per the Vedic calculations. And surprisingly, this is the month of spring season when everything in the environment is new. New leaves, new flowers, new fruits like mangoes that can be harvested. You can see birds chirping, the cuckoo birds singing, butterflies everywhere. Now throughout India, the new year is celebrated in the month of Chaitra or Chittirai or Chitra month, that is the April month, and it is called by different names in different places. In Punjab it is Baisakhi, in Bengal it is Nababarsh, in Assam it is Bihu, in Andhra it is Ugadi, in Karnataka it is Yugadi, in Kerala it is Vishu, in Tamil Nadu it is Puttandu. So many names but one new year at one time. That is why India has unity in diversity. While it's exciting to celebrate January 1st, New Year Eve, it is even more exciting, even more amazing to celebrate the New Year during Chittirai month at sunrise. So we spoke about a lot of positive changes in the environment, the newness in the environment, the newness in the air, the freshness in the air, the new leaves, flowers. There are so many spiritual and scientific evidences that a lot of good changes are going to come into your life. So every year has a name as per the context and meaning which it brings into your life. So this year we call it as Pilavam. A special preparation called as Ugadi Pachadi, made of 6 different ingredients, is made during the New Year's Day. So it's completely antibiotic and antiviral, which helps you in protecting from the changes in the environment. So it also signifies that life is a combination of different taste and emotion. Jaggery for sweetness, raw mango for the surprise element, the sourness. The preparation for New Year begins very early. So we clean the house, we decorate the entrance with mango leaf. We also draw a patterns called sacred geometry. It is called as kolam at the entrance of each home. So we welcome the New Year by doing rituals with lot of flowers, incense sticks, with aromatic fragrance, fruits, lamp lighting, taking blessings from our elders, going to temple, paying gratitude and seeking divine grace from God. We come back and have a gastronomic delight of different types of food, sweet, savories and delicious meal served on a banana leaf. So viewers, this Chittirai month we would like to wish you a happy new year, Tamil Puttandu Nalvalthukal and Ugadi Subhakanshalu.
Please like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon to keep in touch with us. We'll be back with our next video.
Thank you.